We're going to reshoot the fender in a totally different color. At least we can start painting the truck if I end up liking it. So let me show you guys. So this was the first color we tested, and I was super excited to paint the truck yellow because that's my favorite color, but I did not like that color at all. This is the first color we tested. We just finished shooting our fender again, and I have to say this color, look at this. I actually think it might look decent. This is what we're gonna do for the 6.0. So for paint, we have some exciting news. I'm not changing the color completely. We're gonna go with the same blue color you guys have seen a few times. Basically, we took the rich aqua and added some fun stuff to it. So you guys will see that in the next couple videos coming up, definitely pretty soon. That's what we're getting ready for. We're trying to get prepped and ready so we can get this thing painted. I know in my last video I said we're not taking it anywhere, but after seeing the paint, seeing how good he painted, I was like, wow, my truck's coming down here as soon as it can. So taking care of the rest of the bodywork, like rocker panels, have corners, and I guess we'll go from there. We are so close to seeing this beauty painted. I'm so excited for it. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. I can't wait. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, into another video. Guys, today is so freaking exciting. This has been what we've all been waiting for literally forever. 444. It's a lucky number. I'm actually at the gas station filling up because I am Columbus bound this weekend. The cab and the rest of my parts are all packed up, and we're gonna be heading to Columbus for the weekend to finish up the paint job on our 6.0, which is extremely exciting because it's been quite some time, and this is like the last big thing. You guys, if you guys have been here before, you know the spiel. This is the last big thing, and I cannot wait to bring you guys along. So we have a pretty long day ahead of us. I gotta go to the shop, pick up the rest of my parts. We loaded the cab up last night and grab some tools and stuff, and we'll be on the road. But I can't wait to bring you guys along. If you're new to the channel, be sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are on so you don't miss out on all this fun stuff, because you're not gonna want to. You're not gonna want to miss out, I promise. But I'm gonna finish getting gas, and we're gonna head to the shop, and we'll be Columbus bound. All right, you guys, so I got the doors and the rest of the parts loaded up and ready to go, so we can head to Columbus. The cab is already on its way, so we're gonna meet it down there, and yeah, we're gonna head out. So anyway, guys, let's get on the road because we have a pretty long drive ahead of us. guys, it is the next day, and last night we finished doing the bodywork, kind of just fixing what I did. We went back over the bodywork when we got there last night and started priming the doors and also the cab, which is really big and super freaking exciting. I couldn't believe it. I don't know. I'm so excited and just like in shock and nervous, and I don't know. This is crazy. Finally, the truck is getting painted and there's just like a whole lot of emotion. So anyway, I'm gonna head to the shop and we're gonna get to sanding. And today's the day that the truck turns blue. So let's just go because I cannot wait any longer. That I bought, and we did the same thing on this one where we cut out the bottom and replaced it with a piece of metal and then did some Bondo. So it turned out really good. I think they look bomb. They look amazing. I can't wait to see it with that glue on there. It has been a very, very long day of sanding and painting, and we got the doors and fender done, and we got the cab ready to go, but of course the truck isn't starting. We're still having that issue. We've been having that issue for literally forever. And Of course, this weekend I forgot to put the battery back in the truck, so it's trying to start off one battery when it couldn't even start off of two. So I'm in advance right now. We're gonna pick up a battery and take it back, put it in, hope for the very best, because I am so ready to get the cab in there and painted. Once we get this battery and head back to the shop, we'll put it in, start the truck, and it'll be ready to go. It is so surreal right now. It's just absolutely crazy. I cannot wait to see the cab. It's just like such a big part. I mean, obviously it's a whole truck, so yeah, it's a big deal, and I cannot wait. So I can't wait to show you guys too. I know everyone, including myself, have been waiting for this moment forever, and I can't believe it's here. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep rolling and finish up today, and tomorrow that'll be it. The paint will be all said and done. So I want to give a huge shout out our painter. I'm gonna go ahead and put his Instagram and everything up on the screen again. If you guys wouldn't mind, go over there, check his page out, show him some love. He is absolutely amazing at painting, and he really killed this paint job, and I can't wait to see it all together. It just turned out absolutely amazing, and I am so happy with it. So go show him some love, give him a follow, check out his stuff. He has some awesome projects coming up. You guys would love them. They're absolutely insane. He's really into detail, kind of like I am, so if you guys vibe with me, I might vibe with his stuff too, you know? So definitely go check his stuff out. I want to say thank you again. He did an absolutely amazing job. Bodywork, prep work, sanding, just the countless hours. I couldn't be more thankful, and can't wait to put it all together and see how it, you know, turns out and falls into place. And I want to say thank you guys again for all of your support. I could not do this without you guys, and this has just been an absolutely crazy journey. So thank you guys again for sticking with me, hanging in there. So once we grab this battery, we'll go back to the shop, and it's the very last step to this paint. So okay, let's go. Guys, this is literally so insane. We just got the cab all taped up and the plastic around it. It looks so freaking good. He is literally amazing at this. Looks so professional. He is professional, but yeah, it looks so good. I cannot wait to see this baby sprayed in one color. It's gonna look absolutely amazing, you guys. I cannot wait. This is so freaking cool. This is so cool. I cannot believe it's happening. We have a couple coats of primer